everyone, this is Kamel. Today, I'm gonna share with you how to make a timeline video that looks like this. This is great for marking the important date. It can be the progress of a company, the growth of a kid, or whatever else. In this video, let's see how to make the effects applied in this part. Okay, let's get started. In the first place, let's preview this part and notice what elements are included. The animated background in the opening, the animated text, the text with background, and the blue timeline. The animated background is the only clip we need to prepare, since we can easily make the rest stuff inside VideoProc Vlogger. Okay, let's open VideoProc Vlogger and start the edits. Let's first launch VideoProc Vlogger and create a 1080p project. Our first step is making this clip. Click on here and change the background color. In my case, I use this color. Click here to create a text clip. We can use the font we like. I selected this for demonstration. Enter the needed content. As for the color, I use the default white. After that, let's go to Offset menu and disable it. Resize and reposition the text. Last, we click on here to take a snapshot of the current frame. Now we get the wanted clip. First, let's add the prepared background clip to the video track. Adjust its duration to around 7 seconds. Next, let's make the text. Create a new text clip. Change the content. Select the font and choose a darker blue color. Afterward, resize the text. If we don't want the shadow effect, don't forget to go to the bottom of the inspector panel for removing the shadow effect. Then we add this picture to the overlay track. Hit crop and chop off unwanted parts. Changing the size and the position of the selection box to make it appear underneath the text. The background of the video is gray. That's not what we want, so we need to edit the background color. Select the light gray over here. Move the playhead to place it behind the background clip and take a snapshot of it. Next, we add this clip to the video track. Adjust its duration. Then we change the duration of the text clip to match that. Add the snapshot image we just took behind this. Change its length. That's all for making the overall structure of the starting. Next, let's add some details to take it to the next level. Select the text. Go to the inspector panel to find animation. Choose linear blur for move in and make it last for 2 seconds. Then we click on Transitions on the upper left corner. Drag the feed transition into here and increase its duration. Then we select this clip, click on Motion. Touch this button to add a keyframe. Then we resize the selection box to make it the same as the screen. After that, let's move the playhead to the end point and add a keyframe over here. Scale down the selection box on the left window. Hit apply. Alright, that's all for making the start part of this timeline video. It's super easy to do, isn't it? In our next video, I'll show you how to make different elements pop up on the timeline. You can click on here to have a watch. Feel free to visit our homepage to find more tutorials for making tons of fancy effects. Be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet, so you can get notified as soon as we post any new content. See you in our next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!